Hello and welcome to this item UI tutorial. Today I will show you how to ship product internationally. In this video, we're going to show you the basic requirement to ship an international order. So any item that you need to ship internationally is going to require some basic dynamic properties. The first one is the unit price. The second one is description 2. And the third one is the country of origin. You can put in the actual price or any random price, description 2, and country of origin. There is another field that also has the country of origin. Scroll down here. You have to put the same thing, US. When you're done, you can just update. This item should be able to ship internationally. The dynamic properties can be maintained under Product and Product property. Here's where you maintain all these properties, the property list. Thanks for watching. If you would like to learn more about other item applications, please take a look at our expansive library of tutorial content.